Day one, our team's here and the renovation has begun. Let's go take a look. Carpet's up. This bathroom is going to be transformed to number one. Number two. She smells really solid. That'll be a bedroom. Actually, the dining and the kitchen will go in here. And bedroom number three. The conservatory. And here's the next unit. Wow, check out that damage. These places are going to look fantastic once they're done. A lot of chopped vegetables on there. Again, we'll make this into 3 bedrooms. It's a rainy day, but a lot's underway. All that old plumbing's gone. And this is the 3rd unit, so they're all pretty much the same.